Listen, we all know it. The economy stinks. Unemployment is up, housing is down, and it feels like someone just dropped a bomb on your 401k. So, how do you make money in this day and age? Well, you could hedge your bets and drop $1 million on one of those burger joints, but oh yeah, you don't have $1 million. Besides, there's a better way to do business. Direct sales, the #1 business opportunity on the planet. And what's the best direct sales business out there? A BIOS Life franchise selling BIOS Life Slim. Look, this isn't some lemonade stand we're talking about here. It's about real money right now. We've got franchise owners making $4, $6, $8, even $10,000 a month in their first couple of months. Now that's some serious cabbage. So when you're done daydreaming about that new Maserati in front of your mansion, wipe the drool from your face and get started. BIOS Life. It's your life. Why don't you decide how you want to live it for a change?